Welcome to Alan's Day. I am down here in Tennessee working on the holiday home. And what I'm working on is plumbing in the basement. But I need some cool air in the basement. So what I've got going is temporary AC unit that does a wonderful job in the house here. It almost freezes you out. But to get air into the basement, we got a fan right here, and there's the vent that's gonna be in the hole. And I made a little box to set on the floor here. AC in the basement. Had it on all night, nice and cool down there. Well, I'm not going directly into the basement. Reason being is I was down there all morning and I ran out of a couple of fittings and I ran out of glue. Partly because I knocked the glue can over. So, we're on a trip to Jamestown to the hardware store to get another can of glue. Probably 2 cans of glue in case I knock another one over. But then we'll get you down in the basement. We'll show you the crawl space buggy that I put together. Oh, that works sweet down there. So, well, let's get the Jeep fired up and head her into town. It's hot in there. Made it to the hardware store in Jamestown. King's True Value. Let's go see if they got some plumbing parts in there for us. Just a real nice little hardware store here. They got a little bit of everything. They've got quite a selection here. Probably as much as Lowe's in the big city. This trip only is about 25 miles round trip to Jamestown. Yesterday's trip into Lowe's to get my big plumbing supplies is about a 100-mile round trip. So let me sort through and find my 2-inch fittings, get some glue, and I'm out of here. They had everything I was looking for and more. So that little copper manifold, nobody had those. Surprising enough, the little True Value had them. So $217 later, we can get back down into the crawl space. See you in the crawl space. We made it back. That's the neighbor's horses. Jean's gator is still there. Well, let's get in the crawl space. To get into the crawl space, go through the hidden door. It's not hidden too much. And it's nice and cool down here. I hear my redneck air conditioner working over there, blowing that cool air down here. So we got our crawl space buggy. And I had it plugged into the charger. So we will unplug it. Well, let's turn some power on. Oh, we got lights. And I got to get back into the corner there. So I like my my junk basket on the side is already full. My tool drawer underneath is already full of stuff. It doesn't take long to fill up a junk jar. So there we go. Load up my parts. And Back her up. Just got to watch my head down here. Oh, that saves a lot of crawling around on the knees with my buggy here. Now, you saw that I made these carts. These are just freaking wonderful here because I get to load all my parts up. So I got my carts down here. I got a nice seat to sit on here with my crawl space buggy when I'm not driving around with it. I got a nice padded seat. Now, let me get over here and show you where I'm at. We are putting in, we got our shower over there with a vent. We got a toilet here. Another vent. So plenty of vents. And I'm just working my way down with the 3-inch pipe from here all the way to that end and down in the bottom over there. So with plumbing, don't want to take anything away from the plumbers, but and I'm sure that I may not have something to their liking, but bottom line is shit goes downhill. So as long as you're making everything pitched, 1/4 inch to the foot on the big stuff, 1/8 inch plus on the small 2-inch stuff, lots of vents, oversize your pipe, and a little bit of common sense, and you'll get the shit to go downhill. That philosophy has worked for 40 plus years, hasn't failed me yet, but somebody might see something that isn't up to some code. Well, let me start putting this thing together. Next piece of the puzzle. I've got to, this is my going to my bathroom sink, and I've got my connection in here. Oop, better make sure I don't get it the wrong direction. Got my connection in there, and I just got to get my piece of pipe between here and here, glue it all together. We're in good shape. My best friend is these hangers. These are from Menards. So here's the hanger here. It's Sioux Chief is the manufacturer. They got them for all different size pipes, and this is the 2-inch pipe here that I have a hanger right there. It comes with the nails. You just lay it at whatever height you want, put your nails in there that come with it, and you're done. Well, let me get this all put together. I need a couple of hands for this. I'll bring you back when I got it together and working my way all the way down. Deburring tool from Lowe's. Works out pretty good. It was on the list yesterday. Now I just gotta wait for 30 seconds and move on to the next joint here. So same old, same old. See you when I get to the other end. I gotta go make a pickup. That's what I'm after. Piece of 3-inch pipe. One more piece of pipe almost in. Glue my joint ready to go. I got my 1/4 inch per foot plus a little bit septic. Now I'll put you down and bring you back when we're all done. We're done with one bathroom. We got one more to go, but that's going to be a couple months from now. So got hooked up down to the septic, got my clean outs, got my future hookup for the kitchen sink. Everything is in. So, time to gather up my carts and head out of here. Well, thanks for sticking around while we tested out the crawl space buggy, and we got one bathroom plumbing. Maybe you'll get some bonus footage of me plugging. I promised you some bonus footage. We got a toilet, and you just flip the lever, and it flushes. What a wonderful thing. The only thing is, I gotta haul water and dump it in the back. That's the next thing on the list, is get some water hooked to the toilet. But before I do that, I gotta get the vanity all hooked up and some water to that, so I got a place to do my dishes. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.